Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to grow purple cabbage at home using recycled packaging. It's super simple, yet surprisingly effective. With just a few old bags, some soil, and worm compost, you can easily grow your own fresh, round, and safe purple cabbages right at home for your family. Let's get started. Like, comment, subscribe, and let's grow something beautiful together. Now I'm going to start germinating the seeds. I choose mature and firm purple cabbage seeds because strong seeds sprout faster, produce even seedlings, and are less prone to pests and diseases. This is a very important first step to ensure healthy young plants for the next growing stage. I fill a small pot with soil, then evenly spread the purple cabbage seeds on the surface. Next, I cover them with a thin layer of soil to keep moisture and help the seeds sprout faster. Note, don't cover the seeds with too much soil, just enough to hide them. This way the seedlings can emerge easily and grow strong and healthy. If you're still watching, please leave a like. It means the world to me. Now, I gently spray water over the soil surface to keep the seeds moist. Using a mist spray prevents soil erosion and keeps the seeds in place while providing just the right amount of water for quick and even germination. I mix worm compost into the soil to make it looser and add natural nutrients for the plants. Worm compost is rich in beneficial microbes, minerals, and organic matter, making the soil more fertile, promoting strong root growth, faster plant development, and deeper green leaves. Every subscribe is a drop of water for this little green world. I fill the sack with soil, then use a stick to poke small holes around it to improve aeration and drainage. These tiny holes allow the roots to breathe easily, prevent the soil from becoming compacted or waterlogged, and help the plants grow stronger while reducing the risk of fungus and disease. After a few days of germination, the seeds have sprouted and grown into strong young plants. Now, I'll transplant them into the soil-filled sack. I make small holes in a water bottle and attach a paper towel to create a simple watering system for the plant. This method allows water to drip slowly to the roots, keeping the soil evenly moist and saving water efficiently. Now, I'll pour water into the bottle to keep the soil moist and provide a steady water supply for the plant. You're one like keeps this tiny garden alive. Don't let it wither. At this stage, the plant has rooted well and is growing strongly. I gently loosen the top layer of soil to keep it airy and prevent compaction. This allows the roots to breathe and absorb nutrients and water more easily, helping the plant grow faster, healthier, and with lush green leaves. I mix root growth powder with water and use it to water the plant, helping it absorb nutrients better, root faster, and grow stronger. To provide extra moisture for the plant, I keep adding water to the bottle. Thanks to the slow drip wick system, the soil stays evenly moist, allowing the roots to absorb water consistently without drying out. This method saves watering time and keeps the plant healthy all day long. One small comment from you can make this garden bloom brighter. To help the plant grow faster, I add worm compost at the base. Worm compost is rich in natural nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, calcium, and beneficial microorganisms, helping the roots absorb nutrients more effectively while making the stems stronger and the leaves thicker and greener. It's a safe, organic fertilizer, perfect for growing vegetables and ornamental plants at home. I keep adding water to the bottle to maintain consistent moisture for the plant. This watering method allows water to slowly seep through the wick, keeping the soil moist without overwatering. As a result, the roots grow strong, absorb nutrients evenly, and the plant stays fresh and healthy all day long. It's amazing! With a simple home-growing method, I now have a garden full of big, round, and lush purple cabbages. Seeing the results after all the care and effort truly makes me happy. Growing and harvesting with my own hands brings both joy and meaning. See, with just a little patience and love for plants, you too can create a beautiful purple cabbage garden like this. Every comment, every subscribe is a small seed of hope. Thank you.